Hi, welcome to Szikla Q-King 2, How to Connect a Solo Pack. This is the simplest way to use Q-King 2. The equipment is an RF handset, a Lectenna, and the USB cable supplied. Plug one end of the USB cable into the computer running your presentation, and the other end into the Lectenna's USB output. When the USB LED turns solid green, the system is set and ready to go. You don't need to install any software because every computer is already Q-King ready. Use the supplied tweaker to set the channel switch on the back of the RF handset and the back of the Lectenna to the same channel. That's it. Now you can click away. The USB LED on the back of the Lectenna will show you that data is passing down the cable to the computer. The RF LED on the front panel flashes green when you go forward and red when you go back. With the Solo Pack, the USB output is always on, and the front panel USB LED is always green for go. With the Solo Pack, the network hub is not used, and other peripherals such as the wired Lectenna button will not work. For network functionality, you need to go to the Master Pack or Auditorium Pack. With the Solo Pack, the Lectenna draws its power from the computer via the USB cable, and you do not need any additional power supply. When you're done, just pull the USB cable straight out. There's no need to eject anything. And store everything in the tote satchel for next time. Thanks for watching.